In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a JotForm autoresponder email. First, log into your JotForm account and head over to your list of forms. Choose the specific form where you want to set up an autoresponder. This is the email that will automatically be sent to someone after they submit your form. So pick the one your respondents are actually using, like a contact form, registration form, or survey. Once you've selected your form, open it in the form builder. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu bar. Click on the Settings tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. From there, click on Emails. This is where all of the automated emails for your form are managed. Next, click on the Add Email button. A small window will appear asking what type of email you want to create. Choose Autoresponder Email. JotForm will generate a default template for you. You'll land first on the content section. Here you can edit the email subject line and the body of the email. JotForm usually pulls in some basic formatting and form fields automatically, but you should adjust the wording to match your tone and purpose. For example, you might thank the person for their submission, confirm what they sent, and let them know what will happen next. Take a moment to make sure everything sounds clear and professional. After that, switch over to the Recipients tab. In this section, you can set the sender name, the reply to email address, and most importantly, the recipient email. The recipient field is usually tied to one of your form fields, like email. Make sure it's mapped correctly so the autoresponder goes to the person filling out the form, not to you. Setting the sender and reply to details clearly also helps people recognize who the email is from and how they can respond if they have questions. Now move to the Advanced tab. This is where you fine-tune how and when the autoresponder is sent. You can choose the trigger for the email, such as sending it as soon as a submission is received or when a submission is edited later. You can enable options to attach a PDF copy of the submission or other files. You can also choose to send the email later and configure that delay, either after a certain amount of time, at an exact date and time, or based on a value from the form. There are options to hide empty fields in the email so it looks cleaner, to update the email if the submission changes, and to select the specific sender email you want to use. Once you're happy with all your settings, scroll down and click Save Email at the bottom right. Your autoresponder is now active and will automatically send based on the conditions you set.